step, walk, walk, shiny, right, left, ball, change, okay? That gets you into the chorus, and I'm gonna do the chorus for you.
Okay.
All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, shot, 6, shot, 7, pressure, pressure, turn, 2, 3, 4, cross, shot, step, turn, pivot, pivot, cross, open, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk forward, 2, 3, 4, turn, pivot, and close, open, 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot, close, open, and then you repeat the verse, the instruction. So you have left, right, over, right, left, over, shiny, shiny, step, cross, open, here, pressure step, walk around yourself, shiny, shiny, right, left, right, ball, change, and then for that last, I'm just gonna say this in the video because it's for the birds anyways.
Okay.
For the last step, ball change. If you need to just do step, so that you can have the correct foot ready.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay.
So you, Isabel, can talk about that.